Yo guys, I'm actually playing Fortnite mobile with a controller. Oh my goodness. Yo, what is up guys, it's TechDude here back with another video, and today guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to play Fortnite mobile on a controller. Now, a lot of videos that I watched on this were either complete clickbait or they were using something called a mobile claw, in which I didn't think at all created the experience that real controllers have, and it's also $20, which means that it is on the expensive side. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this on a PS4 controller since I don't have an Xbox One, but honestly it works with every controller though, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay, so guys, first you guys will need a computer, and this of course can be either a Mac or a PC, and then you also need your mobile device, in which I am gonna use my iPad because the screen is bigger, but of course you can use your phone as well. So first on your mobile device, you're gonna download an app called Duet on your mobile device. Link will be in the description, so just look it up in the App Store or something like that. And also download the computer version, in which will be an AppFi link, which means that you have to click skip ad and make sure not to click anything on the page, and then after that you'll be directed directly to the Duet website. So after that, make sure you download the desktop app as well, and after you have downloaded both of the apps, connect your controller to your computer. In the link below, I have also provided 4 links on connecting to either a Xbox or PS4 controller for PC and Mac. So just connect your controller to your computer, and then after that, plug your mobile device via the USB cable, and then open the Duet app on your mobile while the desktop app is open as well. So then after that, you should see that your mobile device boots up with a familiar desktop screen as your PC. What that means is that your mobile device is now actually a second monitor. So after that, just simply load up Fortnite, go to the video settings and turn it to Windows, and go ahead and drag that window directly into your mobile device, and then boom, you're done, and have fun playing Fortnite. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate that you guys took your time to watch this. But anyways, if you couldn't tell, I have recently updated my channel art to look more professional and clean, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But anyways guys, I do upload a video every week, so subscribe to TechDude for more helpful tech tutorials just like this, and I'll see you guys next week.